Good morning, and welcome to another episode of The Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, I want to talk about something that might feel revolutionary in our world of constant change and uncertainty. It's about finding an unshakable center within yourself, no matter what storms are swirling around you. Your inner peace is not dependent on outer circumstances. This quote offers us one of life's most liberating truths. That peace isn't something we have to chase or create from the outside in. It's not found in perfect conditions, ideal relationships, or flawless circumstances. True peace lives within you, like a deep well that remains still even when the surface waters are choppy. It's always there, waiting beneath the noise and chaos of daily life. We've been taught to believe that peace comes when everything aligns just right. When the job is secure, when relationships are smooth, when health is perfect. But this kind of conditional peace is fragile, always at the mercy of forces beyond our control. Real peace is different. It's the quiet knowing that you can weather any storm because your foundation isn't built on shifting sands of circumstance, but on the solid ground of your own inner wisdom and resilience. Morning intention. I carry peace within me, independent of what today may bring. During the day, when external pressures mount, place your hand on your heart and take 3 deep breaths, remembering that your peace lives here, not out there. Evening reflection. Think of one moment today when you felt centered despite challenging circumstances. What helped you access that inner stillness? Here's a simple practice to anchor this truth. The inner sanctuary visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful place within your heart. Perhaps a quiet garden, a still lake, or a cozy room filled with warm light. This is your inner sanctuary, and it's always accessible, no matter what's happening in your outer world. Visit it whenever you need to remember that your peace belongs to you. 2 related quotes to consider. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. And you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.